Hello RV people, have you encountered your awning LED light all of a sudden stop working on you? So basically how to fix this is this video. So what you do is you go to your switches here where you control your awning light. For example, I just press it and then nothing. So basically what you do is the fuse for this awning light is located behind this fuse switch controller. It's behind it, so you have to take this out and then we have to grab the fuse and then replace it. All right, let's do that. Okay, so basically what I said earlier is removing this switch here unnecessary. What you do is basically you come on your basically trying to get to the back of this without removing this. You come to your drawers and remove one of your drawers. So if you see, I removed one of the drawers, the kitchen drawers, and then you see where it is. All right, let's pull it up. See that red one right there? See that? Yeah, it's like it's in its own case, like it's covered with its own case. So it's this one right here. So just you see this? I don't know if you can see it. Let me get a better angle, hold on. Yeah, so getting better now. So it's right here. Yeah, this housing. See that? I'm touching my finger. Yeah, so we're gonna open this up, and then it's a, what is it? 2A, 2 amp. I think it's a 2 amp fuse. You see, it says 2 amp fuse. So yeah, we're gonna replace this and test the awning. All right. Yeah, it's much easier to go from the back. All right. All right, so we replaced the fuse. Now, you ready? Check it out. Boom. Fixed. Yep, so that's how you replace your fuse for your RV awning. It's definitely behind the switch. All right, hope this helps. Take care, guys.